Alright, next up, Topps Chrome Football for Ryan. Roll it twice. Box number 8. 8 again. 8 and 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Oh, cool. Thanks, man. These turn out to be box number 87 and 69. As for the Stanley, dude. There we go. Oh. Oh yeah, I already cut it. Here we go. We have Tavon Austin. Make sure this thing's focused. There we go, it still works. Tavon Austin Mini. Randall Cobb Refractor. Jonathan Franklin. Sepia Stedman Bailey. That one is numbered to 99. Jake Locker Refractor. A prism of Vincent Jackson. That one is 260. Brandon Marshall Refractor. Derrick. Breast cancer awareness, so that'll be pink. Derrick Rogers pink parallel autograph. I think that's the first redemption I've ever pulled out of this stuff. I guess it's not loaded with redemptions. Gavin Escobar. Matt Barkley. Antonio Cromartie Refractor. Marcus Lattimore and Vance McDonald. Matt Barkley. And there's the BCA Darren McFadden. That one is $3.99. Jamal Charles. DeAndre Hopkins. And Denard Robinson. A Blue Boy Brandon Whedon. Brandon Whedon Refractor, number to 199. Champ Bailey Refractor. Base. Roddy White Refractor. Just base. And base. And base. Well, base and rookies. Patrick Willis. Marquise Goodwin, DeAndre Hopkins. Brandon Whedon, regular refractor. Alden again. Got that one earlier, I think. Oh, that was the Sepia, though, 99 version. Ryan Nassib, Tavon Austin. Camo card, Cordero Patterson. And that one is $4.99. Chris Long. Autograph, Justin Hunter. Regular number to 600. Base. Robert Woods, skinny. Percy Harvin. Manti Te'o. MJD. Blighty Ray Wilson, Blue Prism. First gold refractor, Luke. What a jokel. There we go, Luke Jokel, number to 50. Tony Romo, refractor. Chris Johnson. That one is number 260. Joe Flacco, regular refractor. Mike Glennon. Looking good yesterday. Le'Veon Bell. Navarro Bowman. Marshawn Lynch. Prism non-numbered blue. Joseph Randall. Oh, Cam Newton. Regular refractor. And the last pack. Aaron Dobson. Alright. Put that to the side. Gotta get another trash bag. Let's see what we have here. Recap it for you, Ryan. We have Marshawn Lynch, Prism Blue, Chris Johnson, Prism Luke Jokel, Gold to 50. Blighty Ray Wilson, Prism Blue, Cordero Patterson, Camo, Sepia, Alden Smith, Brandon Whedon Blue, Darren McFadden Pink, V-Jack, Prism, Stedman, Sepia. Justin Hunter, regular autograph, number to 600, and Rick Rogers, BCA Parallel, breast cancer. Not sure what the pinks are numbered to, but a pink refractor autograph. And that'll do it, Ryan. Appreciate it, man. I'll get on the way. See you, bud.